Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk to you about Tubebuddy and I'm going to show you some of the things you can do with it, and especially with the starter version. So when you have the free version, which is a great place to start, you definitely don't need to pay for it until your channel grows a little bit and you'll feel that it is something that you are willing to invest in. But I definitely wanted to show you what the free version can do, because I think a lot of people will benefit from it, and then maybe they haven't taken it up thinking that it will cost them money. So my name is Elina. I'm a affiliate marketer and a virtual assistant. And on this channel, of course, like I'm going to talk about affiliate marketing, but I'm also talking about different tools and softwares that will be helpful, whether you're doing freelancing or whether you're doing affiliate marketing, anything that can be helpful for you and show you the things that I have learned. So I don't want to keep you up. Let's make this a quick introduction to Tubebuddy. There might be some things that I won't show, but I'm going to show you at least the main things that I find very useful. I have cleaned up most of my Tubebuddy for this, just to show you from like a very clean start, showing what you will see if you start your Tubebuddy as a fresh user. Right now we are here on my channel. So this is my Work Efficiently Live More channel. You can see the stats here in the front. So this is the channel analytics that Tubebuddy gives you. You see a bit of the views that you have and the current month views and from how many videos this counts from. It's a great place to just give an overview of how things are going. But remember, all of these stats will take a little while to update. So don't worry about the numbers. And truthfully, we shouldn't really stress about views. It's more about creating good content that matters. And the fact is that even if just one person watches it, you know that you have helped someone. That's the point. So you don't have to think that I have to have 30,000 people watch it. If at least 1-2 people watch it, that means someone has found your video helpful. But the reason why you want to use Tubebuddy is because you want to make sure you optimize your YouTube videos and your channel to move to without having ads get people to your channel. With the relevant keywords and tags that you use, it'll be easier for people to find you when they search. And there are certain ways that there are certain things that you do that will definitely help your videos to rank better among other videos. So let's move on from this. Before I'm gonna show any video how things work there, I'm gonna show you the Tubebuddy dashboard. Just gonna smooth myself. Let's see, this is the main dashboard they have. And these are the extension tools that you see on the side that are on that things that you can use. Now, the Keyword Explorer is a very handy little tool. You can put in a keyword and see how it ranks in YouTube. For example, we can take, let's say, Epic Games, because I haven't done that. Let's just do Epic Games. I don't know where that came from. It just suddenly came around. So you get a little bit of an overall information on the search volume, competition, optimization, strength. And then you get a little bit more information on this information here. Now, of course, this is as you are only having the starter version, you get a little bit of limited amount of data, but you will still be able to work on this, so you can see the related search and the most common tags people are using when they have Epic Games as their keyword. But this is a great one, something that you can definitely use, and you can add this keyword to your tag list that you can see here. And while we're here, I'm actually and you can add it to a topic planner. I'm going to show you these now so that you can have a bit of an understanding of what I'm talking about. So that's the Keyword Explorer. The CEO Studio, unfortunately, is not available on the starter, but you have the topic planner. So you could have taken a keyword and decided this is going to be some of the topics that I'm going to talk about. So you can create a plan for yourself. Let's say epic games, and I'm just throwing out of my head, don't, you know, and I can have these here and I say, okay, yes, I have completed that video. And you can see all the ones that you have completed, all the ones you have currently going on and everything. So you can make plans here. You don't have to. If you like writing on paper, fine. But this is one place where you can definitely search for ideas and then put them in your Tubebuddy. And then you have your tag lists. Of course, I have one that I have made here as a preview, is in affiliate marketing. So I made a list. We can do gaming. And then we could, in the gaming, we can go epic games like this. And we'll add the tag. Now we can just add these tags easily to our videos. And I'll show you a little bit how that happens or where you put that information. So that's the main tools that you can use from here. Some of the information will definitely be available also on your channel analytics itself, but those are the ones that you definitely want to utilize as you're here. You can see that when I click any of these, it'll take me to the actual channel analytics here. And I can review from the YouTube Studio, my analytics, and understand better how things are working, what videos are doing better. And it's definitely something that you want to do when you have a little bit, I'd say 1,000 views is quite good. You already start getting a little bit of an understanding how long people are watching, what they're interested in, and then you can optimize your videos to hit those targets. But definitely you want to have a look at this channel analytics, and if you're unsure about something, Google, and it'll help you understand a little bit better what's happening. So let's go back into to my channel. Hi, so these are the automatic video. So these are like the basics of the Tubebuddy. There's of course so much more that you can do, but when you're starting, you definitely don't need to be so into it. But as long as you understand what you're doing and you can get the benefit of the free version to help you get better, optimize your videos better. Now you can see here, it gives you a video analytics page here on the side. Now this is like the gold mine. It'll tell you a little bit about the summary. It gives you also help with the SEO, even if we don't get into the actual tool, but we get to see suggested videos. We get ranked tags if any of them are ranked in a video, and it actually shows you. In this case, I don't have any, but that's okay. But at the moment, it doesn't show on the first page, but that's fine. It's okay for me. My SEO score is pretty good, means that how many tags are shown in the title or description, and how many characters you're using, and title words in the description. So the important point when using Tubebuddy is to understand that your title and your description and your tags all tie in together, helping you to rank better among the other videos. So if your tags are something that are popping up, and then you put all those tags in your video details and your title, then it'll rank better among, and it'll be easier to find when people search for it. Then there's of course if you share it on Facebook, if you have any upvotes on Reddit or on Twitter. And then in general, you get channel information. You have some really lovely hints on best practices that you should do, have a thumbnail, info cards, end screen, have a pinned comment, just helpful tips to help you. And then you see all your tags here that you can copy and paste into any of your other videos. So that's a really nice little information. So when you're writing your title and when you're doing your description and you're putting in your tags, you can have like your video on one page and then have your editing page on another one, and then do this stuff and update the page and see how the score gets better. And then just really think about the title and description that you're actually. So let's go, I go into here in the edit video, and I have my title, and then I have my description. And then if I go all the way down, I have added my own thumbnail. Tubebuddy actually helps you to create a thumbnail, so you can use that. That's also have a, I also have vidIQ as I'm testing it currently. But here at the bottom is the place where you put your tags in, and this here's where you can put your if you have your tag list, this is the place where you can use your tag list, and you could just copy that list and put it in here. And you can say you see a little bit of information here at the bottom also, and allowing you to copy and paste some information. So there are a lot of information, but you can also see again that you're in the starter version, you only have a certain amount of recommended tags that I should be putting in. Maybe I should put these in the tags. So it gives you this additional information that you don't see when you regularly look at your YouTube your YouTube video details or your channel. And yeah, so there are some a lot of information that so what I recommend that you do is you get the Tubebuddy and you just start playing around with it. But like I said, the important factor in getting more views is that you really think about your title, that is it provides some keywords in it, and the same keywords are in your tags and in your description. But of course it also matters what you actually write in it, so you don't just come up with some random information, but think of the title, how catchy it is. And the more videos you do, the more you see which titles work better. And another thing you can do is go and look at videos, similar videos that you're making. Look at what kind of titles they use. Look what kind of descriptions they do use, what kind of tags, because when you go to someone else's video, you see all this same information. Of course, not this page, but if you go to, let's go to, I have to get to YouTube. In general, we can go YouTube, and we can take, for example, I don't know why I got a pressed pump. Ooh, interesting. Anyway, you see the same information here on the side. So you see the analytics here. It has 100% CEO score. Let's see if it has any rank. You see that there are ranked tags here. Ooh, there's an ad. So you get the ranked tags and you can see them here. You see what is popping up right now. So these definitely are some things that are going. So you want to go to other people's videos, look them up, look what kind of titles they're using, what they're using in the description, what kind of tags they're using, and you can copy that, model that, not copy, but model. Of course, all this information, these tags you can copy, just take I can take a copy and I can go, okay, let's do a new tag. Let's say make money online tag list. Now I have that list and I can use it in any of my videos. That's simple. It'll make it faster for you. Now, there's a website I definitely want you to use also to help you find tags. It's rabbittags.io, and it's a free tool, and you can definitely you get tags, so you can use this tool for free. You put your YouTube title here, you search, and it'll give you tags. And if you research, it'll give you a similar but different kind of tags. So you can also use this, or you can have a look at what are ranked tags right now via other videos and use those. Just remember that you then have to use those words in your description and in your title so that the CEO works better. And of course, your content should be relevant to your keywords. Okay, so that was a short explanation of Tubebuddy, just the basics of it, just so you can get a bit of an understanding how to use it, especially if you're just using the free version. and what you can get out of it. Now, if you're interested in getting Tubebuddy, I have the link below in the description, and go on your lovely journey, free journey with Tubebuddy, test it out, see how it thinks, and just come back and comment how you're finding it. If you have any questions about it, I'm happy to answer you. If you found this video helpful, I hope you subscribe to my channel, and I will keep continuing to make similar videos as I progress and have time to do more of this in-depth testing of different softwares and tools for you guys. Okay, go check out Tubebuddy, link in description, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.